When the sharp senses of these furballs don't exactly serve the purpose of locating the culprit...
What are you doing? Oh! Stop! That was very disrespectful and rude. And I'm going to tell your mother.
This buddy really thinks acting dumb while approaching highly alert dudes like doggos will get him ignored. We know you're the boss, but do you really have to show off during his drink?
Ain't no way.
Cheers.
Never let cats know you'll overreact to their pranks, because there will definitely be a next time.
What the?
Who said tails are only for balance? Look at this dude using it to pick fights. Not Bro is naturally showing the feline boss behavior just by treating everything as his personal territory.
Ow!
Just this furball is proving their hearing doesn't need to be checked.
Don't do it. Oh, you're just giving me kisses. Don't do it. Don't do it. I'm so vulnerable right here.
Guess who's entering the shoe inspection phase before attempting to squeeze their entire body inside? Someone please tell this furball that their tactic is completely outdated and looks absolutely ridiculous.
Yes?
No. No. No.
Oh la 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 la.
Looks like the big guy thinks he'll turn into a toddler bully if he fights back.
Usually you're just Diggler hit the ball hard first time up.
Why you sit on his face?
Is there anything more scaring than your own kind who is chaotic and knows exactly what you hate?
Grabs her by the neck and just drags her away.
来，3、2、1，
这就我手，我手。
Alright, we'll just consider these weird steps as a warm-up even though it's completely unnecessary.
Stop. Helix, get down. Get down.
What you want, dog? This ball is my love, mine all mine. Don't you dare steal it.
I'm sorry, Miso.
So, they're skillful is because their own species loves to increase the difficulty level for antics like this. It's pretty useless because hair is literally one of their main reasons for living. Disturbing those who love peace in their own territory, well, what must happen will happen. Everything requires skill to succeed, and pranks are no exception, my friend. They are basically like 2-year-old toddlers, so they're clueless sometimes. See you next time!